weekenders? We are out here in the beautiful Sand Hollow, Utah, and we are out here for United by Bronco 2024, and I'm already off to a bad start. The Bronco's broken. You're probably thinking, Corbin, didn't you just like put a new front axle in and a new rear axle? Yes, I did. And I came out here yesterday to pre-run some of the trails that I was going to help lead for today and tomorrow for the United by Bronco event. And on one of the last obstacles of the last trails that we pre-ran yesterday, my front end gave out. Unfortunately, I don't have video of it happening, but I do have video of the front end making some absolutely terrible noises. So listen to this. Yeah, not great. So obviously the front end is toast. That's what was broken before. So unfortunately, my Bronco will be parked for United by Bronco. She will be a pavement princess, just sitting pretty for everyone to look at while we go out and do these trails. But we ain't gonna let that stop us. We're gonna go out, we're still gonna have a good time. I'm here, and I have plenty of friends that are willing to let me ride along and have a good time. So today we're gonna do Resurrection. It's one of the most famous trails out here at Sand Hollow. So we're gonna go do that. I think it's like a 5 or 6 rated trail with some pretty fun obstacles. So we're just gonna hop in with some friends. We're gonna go out and we're just gonna have a good time, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for it. So here's to day 1, United by Bronco, Resurrection. Let's do this. Hopping in, I've had a bunch of people offer me to ride in their Broncos, so I'm just gonna jump around and try to get all the shots for you guys. And, yeah. You're about to go up higher because of a ledge. I'd probably, back up, reset kind of this way a little bit, kind of come towards me a little bit. Yeah, you can probably climb that too. Yeah, oh yeah, money. There you go, like a glove. Know how to open this door. There we go. Oh, the little.
It's unstealable.
I know, you go. Yeah, you go like pull like a little tab. So we're out here on the middle section of Resurrection. It's kind of like a loop where you like come down around, and there's like some obstacles up over here. And it looks like, I don't know if you can see, Looks like a Bronco just broke a tie rod, so let's go check it out.
Tie rod, first break.
Dude, what'd you guys do?
Broke a tie rod.
No, no way.
Bolt, aftermarket tie rod.
Aftermarket. Oh, a Heims, huh?
Yeah. No, it broke a bolt.
Oh, the bolt for the Heims.
Wait, do we have bolts?
Damn. So it looks like the bolt for the Heims broke. So it's not actually the tie rod itself, it's the bolt that goes through it. So I don't know, maybe they just need to find a stronger bolt to put in there, but we have some spare stock tie rods they're just gonna throw on it and should be good to go for the rest of the day.
Oh.
So what happened? Oh, like, yeah.
So that's where it gets pressed into the knuckle. So it sheared right when at the top of the knuckle.
Huh.
Dang.
All right, replaced. Put a stock one back on, good to go. Guys came down here for nothing, but.
Hug that wall.
Glenn, you're an animal.
You want to try to climb it? Yeah. All right. I just had to get a better line. Okay, hard passenger, hard passenger. Okay, start getting under it.
If you don't know what's going on, he drove down there to help with the broken tie rod. Now he's got to back out. So, but there's like this little waterfall obstacle.
Yep. I'm worried about your bumper and your tires, honestly. Start cutting your wheels. He's coming up. He's coming up. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Nice.
Glenn's an animal. If you haven't seen this guy, he did the Rubicon with me. Shout out to Glenn. He'll do anything. He's literally a madman. That's his Instagram handle. Nuts. Tire in the dirt right there. If you're ever off-roading and you have like, you're gonna be doing some steep walls like this, it's good to either take the tire off or just like lower the tire pressure so it's squishy. This way when you hit your tire like that, it doesn't like rip your spare tire off. And all right, there we go for Resurrection, day 1 of UBB. Ton of fun. It was a fun little trail. Everyone had a blast. Broke a tie rod, but yeah, it was a good day. It's a fun trail. If you're ever out in Sand Hollow, check out Resurrection. I actually think it was a pretty fun trail. If it wasn't for such a big group, it honestly probably would have gone pretty fast. So yeah, with that being said, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Look forward to more upcoming videos of UBB, and we'll catch you guys at the next waypoint.